Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Solana video update for Tuesday 19th of April. And yeah, Solana yesterday actually, what the hell is happening here? Yeah, we had a very long wick to the downside. I suppose this is just like a stop loss trail or a stop loss hunting or something like that. But I'm still not, I'm not worried about Solana too much. I honestly am not worried about Solana too much. It still came back to the support level that it's supposed to hold. This is still the support level that it has, and that's the golden ratio as well, the $98. But the problem is, uh, you know there's still some issues. There's still one small resistance. I'm going to tell you, maybe some sort of a descending triangle showing up like this, because on the daily you've been actually making wicks to the upside like that one. Okay, so what did you do? You went up one time, came down, went up, make a wick there, came up, make a wick, another wick right over here, and potentially this can fizzle out to go to the downside. And it will be, if it starts to break out from here again, this will take you from there to there. If it starts to break to the downside, of course it hasn't broken out, but you're going to see Solana coming down to the $92. Or if you start to break to the upside from here, you're actually going to go back to this place, which is going to be $109. Okay, so it depends on where you go from here. Break to the upside, go to where you form that descending triangle. If you start to break to the downside, $92 is going to be the next technical target. Now, talking about Bitcoin as well, we're going to see Bitcoin, watch the Bitcoin update for the details. So here we are, and I talked about how Bitcoin still, even though it was making green candles yesterday, the problem is you broke below a support, you went up to the support like this one, and you're getting rejected right at the support. Okay, so if you're getting rejected like this, you might still start to go down again. That's something you have to be careful. You want to actually cross this resistance and hold the resistance and go to the upside. So yeah, that's it for this update. If you want to check out my 18 hours course of contents, do check it out. The link is in the description of the video, and look what you're about to learn with the content right over here. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.